Alright, you guys, I'm going to take a look at Life of Fred 48, number 9 now, which is pretty much the same kind of problem that I just did on 47. Wait, you need to go, please. But now the hypotenuse of that triangle is 3. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So again, hypotenuse is 3. I went ahead and wrote in x and y here. Now because the hypotenuse is 3 and no longer 1, I went ahead and set these up for you, that sine of theta is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. Cosine of theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So we multiply those both and we end up with that y is equal to 3 sine theta, x is equal to 3 cosine theta. And we can go ahead and plug them back into our area formula. So the area of the triangle is 1/2 the base, so 3 cosine theta, times the height, 3 sine theta, and then that we want to find the value for when that is equal to 9/4. So we're going to do the same thing that we did with our other one. It's just, I went ahead and multiplied that out. So that's 9/2 cosine theta sine theta is equal to 9/4. So just like the other problem, we're going to go ahead and multiply both sides. I don't know why I went ahead and switched to brackets on these instead of parentheses, but I'm multiplying both sides by 4/9 to get rid of that 9/2 and be left with a 2 cosine theta sine theta. So when I do that, I'm left with 2 cosine theta sine theta is equal to 1, because now I can use my double angle identity. Sine of 2 theta is equal to 1. Oh, there we go. Sine of 2 theta is equal to 1. So then 2 theta is equal to pi over 2, or 90 degrees. So theta is equal to pi over 4, or 45 degrees. These are tricky problems, so if you need to pause it, take a minute to think about every single step as we go through it, that's fine. These are tricky problems, so let me know if you have any questions on this, if you have questions on any of the other problems, and hopefully I'll see you guys on Thursday. So see you later.